Hi guys, today we are going to see staircase timer. So how do we use staircase timer? The wiring diagram of staircase timer. So see here, this is a staircase timer wiring, staircase wiring. Now I'm going to explain the staircase timer wiring and then working also. And then I'm going to show the practically how it is working also. See here, this is a simple connection of staircase timer. Here phase and neutral. Phase we are taking for the control breaker, and then the staircase timer this one. The new these points also mentioned here. So these two we are using in staircase light. So staircase light we need to switch on the time of up and downward. Wherever it go upside, it need to switch on light, and then after reaching, no need to switch off. Here phase and neutral, that means L and N we are connecting for phase and neutral supply on the staircase timer, and then point 3 and then point 4. The 2 points are available here. So point 3 and point 4, it is what is mentioned here. So point 3, so phase and neutral we taken from the control terminals and the other things. Now we are going to connect the staircase timer wiring, the neutral and then phase through the MCB. So here the mentioned for the new N and L also. So see here I'm going to connect that. Now I'm going to connect for the line supply, that means the phase, and then the phase should be looped with switch also. Before that I'm going to connect the neutral also. So see here, this is the neutral. So neutral I'm going to connect here. We need to make a loopings of the connection, that's why I'm not connecting here. So see here, these all switches we are not using, so we are only using for green and green lamp. So here the push buttons 2 wires available, and then green lamps 2 wires are available. So how we are going to connect these things, and then we are see the connection. Now that means the switch one end is need to connect for the phase, and then lamp one end is connected to neutral and the one end is 4. So this way of we are going to connect here. So now I'm going to connect for neutral by looping these two. This is already neutral. This neutral should be lamp and staircase timers neutral. Loop to connect on here. Then we are going to make the connections of remaining. So the one is the lamps. Another one is we are going to connect the 4 terminal 4. The staircase timer is terminal 4. It is a default. This is no any other connections of another way of connecting. And now the lamp connection is done. That switch connection is pending right now. So one is we need to connect for phase, and another one is we are going to connect for in 3 terminal. That means the number 3 in a staircase timer. So now I'm going to connect one end is staircase timer's 3 terminal. And then another end I'm going to connect for the phase supply. So phase supply already here full, so we are making looping on here. So we are make the looping in breakers in upside. It is same like this, so that's why I'm making loop on here. So this is a connection will be used in staircase. So I'm simply expand here. So if you don't want for breaker, no need to giving breaker. You can provide for the only control piece to make these connections. So staircase timer to be, if you are operating a small lamp, you can use this timer for directly. It is a very simple one. So this is a 2 modes are operation. One is automatic, another one is a manual. That means manual means it is always on. And then timing also available here, 30 seconds to and 5 minute up to 5 minute timing you can set the timer. So see here, First initially we switch on the supply, that means the power supply switch on means it should be on. For the 30 seconds it should be on. So after 30 seconds it should be automatically getting off. This staircase timer working like this. So see here, this is automatic operation means this knob is downside, and manual operation means, manual means it is over, it is bypassed to switch on the light on ways. So see here, now is a lamp is switch on at the starting stage, it is happen. So now 30 seconds completed, it should be automatically switch on. Now whenever you are going to upside, you can press the lamp push button, it should be automatically on. Here 30 seconds are fixed, so you are reaching before 30 seconds in the upside means, that means for the approximately value. So if you are reaching before 30 seconds or after 30 seconds, not a problem, but the lamp should be switch off after 30 seconds. So you are going to upside, after that no need to switch on the switch off whatever it is automatically switch off lamp. So if you are come downside means you can press the once in upside. So after that you are coming downside, it should automatically switch off. So see here, this is the thing we are using staircase timer. See here, this is a manual, this is always switch on. So this is auto manual operation, it is happen staircase timer. So this is the same thing, whenever you go upside you can press the once, it is will be on. Whenever you come downside you can press the once, it should be on. No need to switch off, it is automatically going to switch off. Okay, this is the staircase timer. If you have any doubt, please comment here, and thank you for watching.